Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Perfecta Cappuccino Espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up and we also had to replace the spouts. This one that you see right here. As you can see in the video, this was cracked right between the spouts and it was just leaking all over the place when it was brewing. So we replaced those. We also deep cleaned everything inside as well. Deep cleaned the machine, replaced the brew unit of the machine as well. Replace the O-ring from the generator, the one is located right here. Deep clean the shower screen of the generator, lubricate the transmission, and descale the machine. So starting with one shot of espresso or one standard coffee for this machine. We're gonna be testing the machine out, and then we're gonna be using the hot water and then the new coupling carafe. As we are replacing these old milk carafe, we're replacing it with a brand new one. Lower the spouts a bit. They're gonna be a bit harder because they're new. There you go. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. We're grinding coffee on the cold setting. We got good crema on top of the espresso, and it's looking great. Water for this machine, as you can see. Nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Working excellent. And we'll be right back with the carafe and cappuccino. And we're back with the carafe now installed, and now we're going to be doing a cappuccino. We do not have milk, so we're using milk cleaner, which is going to act the same way as milk. We're still going to be able to see the foam. And from here we have 3 different settings: cafe latte, latte macchiato, or cappuccino. Cappuccino being the one that gives you the most foam. As you can see, nice foam, nice steady stream coming out through there, working excellent. Now for the coffee, you can see it's a nice steady stream as well. Excellent color, working great. And 3 ounces, which is perfect. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Perfecta Cappuccino working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee and subscribe to the channel.